Coastal comes with a hero setting that I included that gets rid of the navigation bar color on any pages that you designate with a hero class. For example, Home v2 is not designated as a hero page, so it has the white background here. And this will only really look good on pages that have a light background up top, like this image. It's very light, so you can see the logo and the text here. Versus this one, this text would be over this sky color that is just too close to be readable. But regardless, I'll show you how to do this. All you have to do is just go to the pages area, and let's say, let's find a page here. Let's see here if any of these are going to have, yeah, they're all going to be, I'll try it on the contact page, but you'll see it's this. I would need to change this graphic, but you could change this graphic to a lighter one, and then change this text to dark, and it would look nice. But let's just do that. So if I go to the contact page, and instead of going to edit with Divi, I'm just going to click on the title or hit edit right here, and you'll see that there's a plugin installed. It's part of the recommended plugins. Let me go to that first. There's a recommended plugin called Custom Body Class. And it's a free plugin, and it should prompt you to install it when you load. But if not, you can just go search the plugin repository for Custom Body Class by Andre here and install it. But all it does is it adds, let's go back to this contact page here. It just adds a little guy here in the sidebar that says page classes. So if I click here and I type hero without the dot, you can just click here and it adds the dot for you. Just type hero and hit update, and then I'll refresh this page. You'll see that it's going to lose the background. Now you have to go back in this. You have to go in this page here, edit it. You might want to give it. I usually right click and go to layer, because sometimes it's hard to click this when it's toward the top. But you might need to go into the section and give it some extra, maybe some extra padding at the top. Might have been too much. How about 100? Maybe 120, something like that. And then, for the content, you might have to go into the background color here. And instead of using a dark color opacity, you could use a light color type deal. And then you could swap out, let's say we want to do this, and then you could go here, make this text a dark color, and so on. I'm not going to do all that. I'm going to refresh, and hopefully it reverts back to what I had before. That's great. And then I'm just going to go ahead and go back to the page here and get rid of this class now. Update. And it should be good now. But that's what the hero class does, is it allows for this to happen without much trouble. My contact page should be back to how it was now. So super simple, but that's what's up with that. All right, y'all.